Guys, we're going to play Identity Fraud, so let's go. Let's go. Let's check like, I started this. So stupid. So let's find Identity Fraud, so let's go. Oh my god, it's raining, really, it's raining. So let's go and find her. She's a girl, I mean, she's a boy, I don't know. Let's go and find her. Am I the only girl in here? What? Is that? Oh my god, oh my god, she's following me. Oh my god, Is that Identity Fraud? So let's go. I think she's... The heck was that? Bro. Go. I don't know, bro. Oh my god. Bye, girlie. Oh, it's raining like a shit. So let's go like, I don't know, but let us just find him. Like, what the hell? Who is that, bro? What the hell? Oh my god. Run, girlie, run. Oh my god, you're going to die, bro. Run. Bro, she's so fast. Girl, oh my god. She's so fast. Oh my gosh, she's going to kill you, girlie. Oh no. She died, so let's just find this spot. I'm a little bit scared though. Well, I'm super duper scared right now. Oh my god. Bro, oh my god, she's irritated. Oh my god. She's irritated. Oh my god. It's a big sword. A big. Oh my god. Oh shit. Well, I'm going to do now. Oh, so that sounds anyway. Fuck shit, I'm done. I'm fucking done, bro. Oh my god. Oh, shit. Girl, run! Oh my, she died. Oh my god. So, let's just gonna find him. I'm a little bit, I'm not a little bit scared. I'm so scared, oh my god. He's even there. Oh my god, she's back. Oh my god. What the hell? Oh my god. Is she holding that sword? I think she died, bro. Like, what the heck? Oh my god! Oh my god. Oh shit. I'm fucking down. I think I'm done.